Hey, morning guys. So I wanted to make some waffles this morning for my kids. It's Sunday. My wife's working and they just woke up, so I'm gonna make some waffles for them. Obviously keto waffles, and so I wanted to show you guys how that is done, or how at least how I do those. And so let me show you what I got. So I already have the waffle iron warming up. Then I'm gonna take some 4 ounces of cream cheese, 4 eggs, 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract, 1 tablespoon of swerve or sweetener, and then about 1 tablespoon of melted butter, and I'm gonna mix it in here. I have a mixer, but I don't want to waste too much of it, so I'm just gonna use this small bowl. Okay, after that, I'm gonna add some, it's supposed to be coconut flour, but I don't have it, so I don't have coconut flour, so I'm just gonna use almond flour. And then I like to add some psyllium husk, which is what they put in fiber pills anytime I do any kind of baking, just to kind of help with digestion. And then I'm gonna use 1.5 teaspoons of baking powder, just a little bit of salt, maybe like a quarter teaspoon. And in case it's too thick, I'm just gonna add some heavy whipping cream to kind of water it down a little bit. And so yeah, let me show you how that goes. Okay, so the 5 minutes are up, but a good way to tell if it's done is by looking at the edges. You can see there's still a little bit of steam coming out. So as soon as that steam stops, I'm gonna go ahead and open it up, see how it looks. ¿Cómo está? ¿Te gusta? ¿Está bueno? ¿Sí? ¿Qué le pusiste? ¿Miel? ¿Te gusta?
Sí, pero no quiero miel.
¿No quieres miel? Okay. Okay, so mine's done. I added some peanut butter, and then I also added some sugar-free maple syrup. So I try not to add too much so that sweetness doesn't get me later on. So I just added a little bit. That's why I added the peanut butter, to kind of help with that. So I got my coffee here, and yeah, let's see how it tastes. Okay. Really good. Let's try it. All right.